Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, so I did a video here just a day or two ago about a woman who wanted a free cruise because her family was traumatized after the events of the woman going overboard on the Carnival Valor. Now, that original story was put out by TMZ, which stated that her and her family were so traumatized by the events that happened on the Carnival Valor that they wanted compensation for the events. They wanted, at minimum, future cruise credits. Now, with that said in mind, the passenger, and we're still going to call her the passenger, I feel no need to drag her name out into this any further, but since then she has come out on her Facebook page and said that TMZ has completely twisted her words around, and TMZ completely got the story wrong. Okay, that they have basically lied on her, lied about her, and lied to what she said, and they twisted it all up. What she said actually happened was, yes, they were on the Carnival Valor. Yes, they were there when the incident occurred. No, her children were not involved. Her husband had taken the kids down into the ship and to the cruise cabin. Yes, she was up on the deck. She was there to see if she could help and assist in any way. Now, she was asked, should Carnival Cruise Lines do anything about this incident as far as compensation? And she said, I don't know, but seeing 2 deaths in one cruise has ruined our vacation. Just to clarify, there was apparently an individual on the cruise ship, same cruise, that had had a heart attack. So 2 deaths on the same cruise. That's where the second one comes from, besides the woman that went over the side of the ship. So basically the passenger saying that everything TMZ said, essentially, other than the fact she was there, taken out of context and completely wrong. And let's be 100% honest, we have seen news medias, news outlets take a story and twist it completely from the truth way more than one time. So yeah, I find it highly believable that TMZ lied on this lady. I can completely believe that story. Okay. Now, on the other hand, we've seen plenty of cruise passengers who immediately want compensation for every little thing that happens and occurs on a cruise ship. So believing that a passenger could have wanted compensation or wanted a free cruise over this incident, well, you know what? That is completely believable too. However, in this case, I'm going to side with the cruise passenger on this, because I believe there are more good cruisers than there are bad cruisers. I just think that the ones who are vocal about compensation get more coverage than the ones that are simply there enjoying their vacation. And because of that, I have taken down the original story from TMZ. I pulled it down altogether because, look, if it's a lie, we're not going to keep it up there. If it's a lie, we're not going to keep that here on the channel. We reported on a story that we saw on what was put out there, and it looks like what was put out there was false. Okay, it looks like it was a lie. So I took down the story. I'm not going to have it up there if it's absolutely not true. There have been quotes from people that apparently know this cruise passenger. There have been people that say they have spoken to this cruise passenger, and nobody is believing that she is the type of person that would do this. So I'm going to go with that. I'm going to go with the gut feeling of others. And like I said, take the story down, because I don't want to be a part of any kind of essentially lying about stuff that's going on out there in cruising. So one, I want to apologize if I put a story up there that at the time looked accurate, read as a distinct possibility. So I went with the story, and if it wasn't true, I absolutely apologize. That's not how we run this channel. That's not how this channel is going to be run, because I don't want to be the content creator that's putting up false information in stories. So like I said, that story's done. It's gone. It's off of the channel. And I wanted to put out this video to let everybody know that there were some updates, there were some changes, new information has come out. This is what the new information is directly from that particular cruise passenger. And I said, she's clear. She said she did not ask for anything, and nor does she want anything. So again, I apologize for any misinformation that I put out there, and I will make sure that we are doing better about checking and double checking and triple checking our information as we go forward here in the future. All right, y'all have yourselves a great day today, and we will see you out on the high seas.